Hello, today I will show you every way to level up your characters in Sword of Convallaria. To level up your character, we'll need to go to the character screen, and in the character screen we'll need to look for a character we can upgrade. I'll go with the Crimson Falcon because she isn't up to our level cap. We can, if the character is below our level cap, we can upgrade them using the common XP, which is earned via a variety of sources. It's really common, so it shouldn't give you any trouble to earn this. Resource. And the other way to upgrade the character is to increase the rank. As you can see, she is currently rank 0, and if you want to upgrade her, you'll need to use a Seeker medal. Every color of the characters, different classes of them, have their different medals they use to upgrade. So right here we will be able to choose between two abilities, either Ambush or Inspiration of Comrades. When we want to upgrade, simply click this button. As you can see, we gain some passive stats, but also I will go and activate the Ambush skill, confirm, and right here she has unlocked a new skill and it will be automatically equipped. Well, the next thing to consider is the amount of stars the character has. As you can see, here is the trait of the character. If we open this menu, as you can see, we can do a star level up. As you can see, she has 1 of 5 stars, and each time we level, we do a star level up, we gain another star. Having more star gives us better passive abilities, traits, and we upgrade those characters using, of course, memories of the characters. Ergo, we need to summon the same character multiple times, because the first time you summon a character you get them, but each time you repeat the summoning of the same character you get their memories, which are used to upgrade the amount of stars on the character. The other things, as you can see, there are skins, and skins, some characters of course have skins, as for example Maifa, and she and every other character that has a skin unlocks them by reaching star level 5. At least the ascended skins. There are others that can be bought through either currency, battle pass, or any other way, but those ones are special because they are only obtainable via upgrading characters to 5 stars. Moving on, we can go back to the Crimson Falcon, and as you can see, we have a orange star next to this button. As you can see, it auto equips one of the one piece of the equipment that we have. As you can see, it is already level 10, but I will now show you how to upgrade equipment. I will go to my other hero, Tempest, which doesn't have their weapon maxed out. I will go into Enhance, and as you can see, I will use Radiant Powder alongside Elysium Coins, the common currency, to upgrade it to level 10. Currently, my Voyager is level 9, so I'm below the required level to get a gear breakthrough, but once I get it, I will use up a Radiant Ore and of course some money to unlock a new level limit to allow myself to upgrade the gear to the level 20. Of course, as you can see, every piece of gear also has stars, and you can star level up your gear. It will eat up certain materials. At the moment I don't have the ability to do a star level up to this gear. As you can see, I don't have any valid materials. Also, there are gear engravings. Unfortunately, they are earned very late into the story, and I wasn't able to unlock them for you, to showcase them to you. But I think that's all I can show you about the characters and how to level them up. If you want further information, different detail screens, different level up screens have this type of information window. It provides you with more info about the process of leveling up the character and other relevant information. Once you are done, you can of course tap the back arrow to go back to the character list, and once again tap it to go back to the main area. Well, I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.